What do you want from me? Yes?
My grandma wanted me to tell you she missed you at Christmas.
Yeah, well, I couldn't have gone anyway. My mom was pissed about Thanksgiving.
Your mom is crazy. I'm scared of her.
She's not crazy. She has a big heart. She's very warm.
I don't think your mother is warm.
You don't.
Well, no. Yeah, she's warm, but also kind of scary.
You can't be warm and scary.
I think you can. Your mom is.
You're gay.
Fuck. Can you not tell anyone, please? I'm so sorry about everything, and I'm ashamed of it all. It's going to be bad, and I don't know. I need to figure out what to tell my mom and dad. I don't know what I'm gonna do.
Hey. Don't worry. I won't tell.